Mysore Pak. What do we need to make Mysore Pak? And how much time does it take? And how much do we need of it?
Okay, then let's show what do we need and how much time it will take.
And how?
1 cup of besan, okay,
Okay.
and then 1.5 cup of sugar
Okay.
and 2 cups of ghee. Let's start the process now, okay, Shamya? So we need to switch on, and then we need to pour this on the besan, and we have to, it's not complete roast, it is just mild roast till it becomes
So we need to make it warm.
yes, to do this till it is dry roast, and you will feel a smell, aromatic taste smell. So till then you continue to roast it in a mild flame.
Smell. I smell this. It smells.
Yes, now it's aromatic smell, so we'll switch it off and then we'll take it out, and then we will have to sear this. Okay? Let's sear this now
how
and
do we
make
get
sure
this
it is
into
lump free. So now we have 2 cups of the ghee. So let's make a quarter of this and make a paste. Not a paste, just keep it mixed.
Why do we have to do that?
Because so that the ghee can get mixed well with the besan. See, now it is completely lump free. There is no single lump. Do you see any lump here, Shamya?
No.
Oh. Okay, now let's get on to make the syrup. So switch on the stove at a mild, okay, in a low flame, and then let's pour the water.
Can you tell me how the Mysore Pak got its name?
Yes. So this is the first stage, right? What we are doing. So in Kannada, syrup is called as paka. So that's where it got its the second part of the name, Mysore Paka. And why the Mysore? Because it was first done in the palace, Mysore Palace. Okay. So the Mysore king was very fond of food. So the chef was trying to make.
The same king who owned the Mysore Zoo?
Yes, the same king who started the Mysore Zoo. That's a good thing. So he was fond of food. So to make him happy, the chef used to make different food. So one day he started playing with besan, the gram flour, sugar, water, and ghee, and he made a syrup, the paka of it, and then he kept it for the king. So then, after 15-20 minutes, it became little moist. That's why it got the name Mysore Pak. When he prepared it, it was a syrup, but after 15-20 minutes, it takes the shape of a moist sweet. That's why it got its name as Mysore Pak.
How long does it take to make the syrup?
Okay, we have to keep it in the low flame, because otherwise it will get burnt. And then we need to get in one string consistency. So it takes about 8 to 10 minutes in the low flame. Now we have got the one string consistency. See, it's just one string. You see here, one string, and you have to keep on stirring like this for 8 to 10 minutes in the low flame to get this consistency.
No more bubbles.
Pour it, okay, and we have to keep it pouring, and then we have to continuously mix it. And then we have to keep on adding the ghee. It all should be done in the low flame. Okay, and now we will add the ghee. How much ghee? Usually it will take the ghee as much it needs. and it will start leaving out the ghee at the end when it is done. Now as you see, it's kind of leaving the layers out and the ghee is separating out of the pan. That means it's done, and it should be taken out and pour it into another vessel which is greased with the ghee. And you see the ghee is separated. We have a vessel ready which is greased with oil. You can take in deep one or in flat one. I will tell you the difference what happens. And you start pouring this, and when you start pouring this, put it with the ghee as well. Okay. So if you have a deep one, what happens is, since the ghee is still there, which is burning hot, which we took it out just now, it will become just flatten it out. And then we just flatten it out. Okay. So since the ghee is still burning, the middle layer becomes red if we have a deep vessel. So now it's
How
been.
much minutes has it been?
So it's been 8 minutes. Now you can start cutting into the shape you want. Don't cut too deep, okay? Just cut at the top so that after 30 minutes when it settles down, you can cut it to the shape you want. But now you can just start cutting in the shape you want. So now what shape we will do it now?
We'll do diamond.
Okay, we will do straight lines in the diamond way. Don't cut too deep, and if you see there, the ghee is coming out. You see there, here, the ghee is coming out. That means it's kind of mixing very well inside. See, you just cut it at the top so that you get a shape, and you can do it later, the whole cutting. Okay, now let's put it onto the plate and test how it is being done. Okay, are you guys excited?
Yes. First piece.
Yes. Okay, are you guys excited now?
Yes. Gone. Gone.
Okay.
Gone.
See the texture, see the ghee there. Let's see. See, that's why it helped us to cut it now. See how smoothly it is coming once we did the first cut.
I'll take a small piece.
Yes.
I want a big piece. Yeah, I'll take a big piece too.
Yeah, let's taste it now.
I think I'll take that.
See the texture, how the texture has come. Okay, let's taste it. One for both of you, small pieces
I want
to
the
begin
big
with.
piece.
Okay, how is it?
Good.
How is it?
It's the best.
Okay, let's taste this. Okay, let's taste this
So
now.
yum. Can I have another piece?
See how it melts as soon as I keep it in the mouth. This is how the Mysore pak should be.